Our AI rollout is finally kicking off next quarter. Ready to make history? Super excited. But tell me, what do we really need to keep in mind for a smooth AI rollout? First thing, data quality. Garbage in, garbage out. AI is only as smart as the data we feed it.
Agreed. And what about the employees? They're worried AI might replace them.
Ah, yes, transparent communication. We need to tell people how AI helps them, not threatens them.
True. Upskilling is key. If we don't equip our teams, resistance is guaranteed.
Spot on. We should start AI training workshops before rollout. That builds trust and confidence.
And don't forget about governance. Who's accountable if AI messes up, if any?
Yes, we need clear ownership and ethical guidelines, plus audit trails for decisions made by AI systems.
We should also define a human-in-the-loop process. AI recommends, but final say stays with humans for now.
Definitely. And we must test thoroughly. Run controlled pilots, real-world simulation, no skipping.
So true. If it fails quietly in test, it won't explode loudly in production.
I like that. And also, don't underestimate change management. People resist what they don't understand.
Agreed. Build change champions in each department, regular feedback loops, and of course, celebrating small wins.
Ooh, I like that. And finally, a continuous improvement mindset. AI will evolve, so must our approach.
This isn't a project. It's a capability shift.
Well said. Let's roll it out smart, safe, and human first.
Together, we'll make AI work for the people, not around them.
Did you study something new today? If so, please do subscribe and like.